my bowl here, I have some beef chunks nicely cut. You can cut yours however you want to cut them. I already washed them with some lime and vinegar. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to combine. And I'm going to leave the measurement down in the description box so you can check that out. So now you can let this marinate for at least 15 minutes. Before stir frying our broccoli and carrot, we're going to blanch them in some hot water because they're going to take a longer to stir fry. So you just want to do this process before stir frying them. And we're just going to blanch them for 1 minute. And now we're going to rinse them underneath some cold water to stop the cooking process. In my wok over a medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm just using canola oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use. The choice is up to you. Beef. And we're going to cook this for at least 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we're going to take this out. And this is how you want to keep it nice and tender and juicy with some beautiful color on the beef. Just like this, my love. This is how you want it. I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of oil to the pot. Half of chopped purple onion. I'm going to add my bell peppers. Two tablespoons of ginger. If you don't got fresh ginger, you could use ground ginger. And the ginger is going to give it so much flavor. Smelling amazing already. 3 cloves of garlic. And we're just sauteing this for about 5 minutes. Gonna add some snap peas. And you could use any vegetable of your choice. You don't have to use the exact vegetables that I use. You can use any vegetable you got available. But these are some great combinations. Two tablespoons of soy sauce, and this is dark mushroom soy sauce. with all the juice and flavor. Gonna add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm telling you guys, this is smelling amazing. This is smelling so good. This is the brand that I'm using. Green onion. And the bell peppers and the broccoli is giving it a vibrant color. As you can see, everything come together so perfectly. Oh my god. Add a teaspoon of brown sugar to it. This part here is very optional. And here you have it, guys. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave me a comment down below. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Oh my goodness. The flavors are everything you need in one dish. This was so easy. This takes like 30 minutes, maybe somewhat 15 to 30 minutes. This is an easy meal to make. You can just make your rice while you're making this, and then boom, you have a 30-minute meal. The vegetables are so crunchy yet so tender, and this is so good. The flavor is amazing. My god. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. See you in my next video.